Good afternoon, wetshaving enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome back into the rabbit hole with Cal Shaves. I hope you guys have had a fantastic Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of you guys. And hope you've had a wonderful holiday season. So, today, coming at you with another shavette shave. Give you the product information right now. Multi-speed, the shave itself. Don't want to be too long on it. Black Friday sales. Generally, with artisans, I'm not a fan of Black Friday sales. I don't know what their profit margins are, but I feel guilty when I buy on Black Friday for something I would have bought anyway. That being said and done, Razor Emporium. Their shavette. This is $15. Loaded with a brand new Boss cod, half Boss cod. 1.9 ounce razor. I also got the 10-pack sampler of their soaps. I saved $9 on this particular order. So, this is one set I've had on hand for a while. We're going to go with Razor Emporium Citrus. This is vegan, made in-house in small batches, 4-ounce tub, matching balm. Generally, I'm more into aftershaves, but this is the balm I had on hand, and this has been for a while. They don't have the sampler and the aftershave balms, but I'll post these above. A brush I have not used in quite a while, someone was asking about fairly recently. In the skull, we have our Semogue 830 boar. I'm going to be doing a video soon in the next few weeks explaining how I broke this in artificially. Just a quick observation. I've had this tub for quite a while, and it's actually been in a box. We moved about a year and a half ago. I've noticed lately, some of my soaps that I haven't used in quite a while, you need to soak them in a bit of water because they get dried out and they're extremely stiff. So that's what I should have done to this. So we have got a beautiful lather made up. There might be some lumps in there, just like your mashed potatoes you had for Christmas supper, but it'll still be fantastic either way. So let's get our shave on. So, time to take the alum to it. That little weeper's already stopped. A bit of burn down here. A little bit on my neck. I brought out the styptic pencil just in case, but it stopped. So, about a week's worth of growth. Down here is always a rough spot on my neck. With that tiny little bit of blade exposure, did a really, really nice job. The weight is nice. It's after using the Holy Black, it takes some getting used to, where the Holy Black is 2.6 ounces, this is 1.9. The scales are a little bit loose. I don't know quite how to tighten those up. They don't really have a screw. It's more like a rivet. So, matching balm. Now this does have a rather large mouth, kind of like the person currently using it. And it'll do that. So, what do I think? $15 USD. It's a great little shavette. Said again, I wish the scales were a little bit tighter. Maybe there's a way I can take a pair of pliers, clamp that down a little bit. Blade exposure kind of sneaks up on you. You don't think it's going to be much, but yeah, no problem. Performance on this, A1, of course, out of Phoenix, Arizona. Even an older tub, which is a little bit dried out, you need to let a little bit of water in here, soak it. Sampler pack, 21 USD. There are 10 different Razor Emporium scents. Semogue 830 boar hair. Upcoming video using a Semogue 620 and how I break it in. Of course, Thirsty Badger Lather Bowl out of Western Canada. So, bit of a change from my Is It Junk AliExpress videos. Let me know what you think. Put your comments down below. Let me know what you think. So, anyway, guys, hope I was able to show you something, and I hope you guys have an awesome week. We'll see you again real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.